So, time check, 7:37 p.m. Nalang ginauman og banat inyong yaya. But anyway, who made this kuan food?
That's the whole spread.
Wow.
Very
Maka-proud.
awesome.
Shout out to Ate Celia Abu. She made us the delicious. Are we in Japan? Japan / Indian / wow, tagay. Grabe nga banat. From Yaya ka lang. Karon lang gid ko na human since in the morning early. Tapos we have early morning PIF Balikbayan box number 11. So hopefully nakaabang-abang si Madam Sir. But then also, guys, dili na ako magulat kung wala mo sa live tapos na-mention mo, then we will PIF your Balikbayan box sa dito kita sa nakaabang-abang. Okay, di ako magulat because the last time tawag ani kanang di siya worth it nga bilaran. Okay, kasi dagan kay ginabot ni Yaya, I just edited. Tapos na ako na-realize na grabe, I need a lot of work. From house, from nothing, ay nako, okay. Tagay, love you, babe. Na thank you, Cecilia. Bon appetit.
Can you give me a fork?
Wow. Pork or fork? Lakula tong rice.
No,
Hey,
we
rice
have rice.
Oh, I want more rice because rice is
And then
rice.
Daddy's like, where's the pita bread?